Alright, welcome to the Kalabash Mosaics, and here today we are looking at the chart that shows the bombardments from 1965 to 75. You realize that it has the properties of the previous font, which I copied from previously mentioned sites. Split it up all together, and you can see on my screen I have three colors. These shade of blue, this fiery, the blazing fiery color, and then the Arctic white color, which I'm just changing the transparency in the representation that it's just making. On the next stage, we're gonna be exploring the stereographic projection, and again, to change the projection, you go to the name of your map, properties, and then we're going to search for stereo. You can just put it in search. It will give you the names with, starting with such kind of character or something. So you can choose any, but I'm gonna go with a stereographic word, and I'm gonna click ahead and go. So let's zoom into our points of interest here, and you can see the HTML code that I just created. It's a table that shows everything that is lighting there. Between 1965 and 75, the US and its allies dropped millions of bombs on Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. This map, the first one is Mercator projection, and you can see this is the projection that it's very formidable in the navigation world by the pirates, by the sailing captains. It's so crucial to them, and it preserves them as straight lines, because when you want to be moving from one place to the other, you just want to make sure that you maintain that straight line when you're sailing or flying. But I was working on this map and just wanted to make sure that I have a contrasting background to make sure the northern was popping up. But originally I'm working on this map, and this is how the map looks like. Just want to show you how it has been labeled. I'm applying a style to these, and I hope it's good, and that's all that we had to present about this map. Have any questions, just let me know. Bye bye.